Mathematics, Form 2, third midterm, straight line graph. Chapter 13, straight line graph. Learning outcomes. The equation of a line, plotting a line from its equation, gradient of a straight line. The value of m gives the gradient of the line. Lines that do not pass through the origin. The equation y is equal mx plus c. Intersecting lines. Lines parallel to the axis. Parallel and perpendicular lines. The equation of a line. The formula that gives the y-coordinate of a point on the line in terms of the x-coordinate is called equation of a straight line. Example 1. Find the y-coordinate of the point on the line y is equal minus 5a, whose x-coordinate is 4. First, you know equation of the given one is y is equal minus 5. We know x is equal to 4. So, then you can find out y by multiplying minus 5 by 4. So, y is equal to minus 20. Example 2. Find x-coordinate of the point on the line y is equal to minus 5a, whose y-coordinate is 50. Here also you know the equation y is equal minus 5. And here they have already given y-coordinate as 50. So we have to find out x. So we can find out x by 15 divided by minus 5. So x is equal to minus 3. Plotting a line from its equation. Y is equal to mx. If we want to draw the graph, think y is equal to 3x. So, we need at least 3 coordinates. I think it's better to choose one from negative, one coordinate from 0 and one coordinate with another positive value. So here I have already taken x as minus 3, 0 and 3. As I know the equation of the graph, y is equal 3x. So I can find out y value by solving the equation. Y is equal 3x. So I have taken here x as minus 3. So y is equal 3 times minus 3 equal to minus 9. Next, I have already taken x equal to 0. So, y coordinate should be 3 times 0, 0. Next, I choose x is equal to 3. So, then I can find out y coordinate by 3 multiplied by 3, 9. Now I know. Now I have already find out 3 coordinates. So you can mark. Now you can mark them in the graph. So after that you have to match those 3 coordinates using your ruler. Then you can see a straight line. Gradient of a straight line. The gradient of a line is given by increasing y value divided by the increase in x value. So, according to the given graph, there are three coordinates O, B, C. I will choose the point O, B, C are 3 points on the line y is equal x. The gradient of OC is equal 5 divided by 5 equal to 1. The gradient of OB is equal 3 divided by 3 equals 1. The gradient of BC we can find out by 2 divided by 2, 1. These show that whichever 2 points are taken, the gradient of the line y is equal x is 1. Example 2. Find the gradient of this line. Here I choose 2 coordinates using the points P and Q. The gradient is equal increase in y value from P to Q divided by the increase in x value from P to Q. So, increasing y value from P to Q is minus 8 minus 6. So, it's minus 40. Divide it by increasing x values from P to Q. 4 minus minus 3. It's equal to 7. Then here gradient is minus 14 divided by positive 7 is equal to minus 2. You can see 2 graphs here. In first graph, with the positive x-axis, that line is make an acute angle. In the second graph, with the positive x-axis, that line is making obtuse angle. So, the larger the value of m, the steeper is the slope. Lines with positive values of m means gradient, make an acute angle with positive x-axis. Lines with negative values for gradient make an obtuse angle with the positive x-axis. Example, for each of the following pairs of lines, state which line is the steeper. You can see there are 2 equations, y is equal 5x and y is equal 1/5 x. Here you can see in first equation the gradient is equal to 5. Second, y is equal 1/5 x. The gradient is 1/5. So, which here 5 is greater than 1/5. So, y is equal 5x is the steeper line. Example 2. Determine whether each of the following straight lines makes an acute angle or an obtuse angle with the positive x-axis. Equation is y is equal 4x. According to that, the gradient is positive 4. With the positive gradient, they are making acute angle. Y is equal minus 2x. So, the gradient is minus 2. So, with the positive x-axis, making obtuse angle. The equation y is equal mx plus c. The equation of a straight line is of the form y is equal mx plus c, where m stands for gradient of the line, c stands for intercept of y-axis. Intercept of y-axis means the place where the straight line cut off the y-axis. Example 1. Write down the gradient m and the intercept c for given each straight line. First equation is y is equal 4x plus 7. So here the gradient 4. Intercept is positive 7. Second equation, y is equal minus 3 minus 7x. Here the gradient minus 7, c is minus 3. Consider the equation of the line y is equal 3x plus 1. Here also I am choosing 3 coordinates, one from negative, one from 0, the other one is the positive. So, x minus 3. Then the y value should be 3 times minus 3 minus 9. And that plus 1 we will get minus 8. Next one, 0. X is equal to 0. So 3 times 0, 0 plus 1, 1. When x is equal to 3, 3 times 3, 9 and adding 1. So it should equal to 10. After that, we have to mark the coordinate and we have to match the coordinate. Lines parallel to the axis. Here you can see 2 lines. One is y is equal to 2 going through y axis. Other one is in red color, x is equal to 4. It's going through x-axis, positive 4. Going through the x-axis, positive 4. So, the line y is equal to in the diagram, you can see parallel to the x-axis. The line x is equal 4 in the diagram is parallel to y-axis. Parallel lines. There are 3 lines. You can see red, blue, green. Red one is equal, y equal 3x plus 4. Blue, y is equal 3x. Green, y is equal 3x minus 4. When you look at these 3 equations, you can see the gradient of the equation are equal. So, when 2 lines are parallel, when they have the same gradient. 2 lines are parallel when they have the same gradient. Perpendicular lines. When 2 lines are perpendicular, the product of their gradient is minus 1. Example. Find the equation of the line through 0, minus 5. That is perpendicular to the line y is equal 3 minus 2. So the equation is y is equal 3 minus 2x. So according to this equation, the gradient of the given line is m1 is minus 2. We want to write an equation for perpendicular line. When two lines are perpendicular, the product of their gradient is -1. So then we can write m1 multiply m2 is equal to -1. As m1 is equal to -2, we can find out m2. So m2 should be equal to half. m2 is equal to half. So we know the gradient of that line. It is half. So the equation of the line y is equal half x minus 5. Intersecting lines. The point where two lines cross is called the point of intersection of the lines. The point of the intersection of the two lines in the diagram is P. There are two lines. One is y is equal to 2x minus 2. Other line is y is equal minus 1/3 x plus 1. So you can see two lines intersect at P point. What are the two coordinates of P point? Coordinate of P point is 3, 4. So in these two lines intersect at the point 3, 4. Thank you.